Growing an email list doesn't have to eat up hours every day. With one simple workflow, you can keep things running on autopilot. For example, in MailerLite, you can set up a funnel that delivers your freebie and follow-up emails automatically. Most people assume list building means constantly posting, writing, and showing up online, but that's not the case. With MailerLite, you can create a workflow that does the heavy lifting for you. Here is a simple example. When someone joins the Sage Anonymous subscribers group, they instantly get a welcome email. From there, you can add a sequence of follow ups, maybe tips, stories, or product recommendations. So your subscribers get consistent value without you needing to manually send anything. If you want to go even faster, the AI Faceless List Builder gives you pre-written email sequences and funnel blueprints. It's a shortcut to set up a passive list that grows and keeps your subscribers engaged automatically. For less than $20, the AI Faceless List Builder gives you everything you need to create an automated, faceless email list that builds itself. Check the link in the description to get started today.